Welcome back to a brand new video, everyone. It's Potato, literally, and I'm here to show you all a very simple tutorial. This will be a simple Hello World project, which is like a beginning coding project when starting to learn a new language, and in this case, Scratch block coding. Enjoy! To start with our project, we're going to go to the Scratch coding editor, and we're going to go to the events section to grab a when green flag clicked. Then we're going to go to the looks section, and we're gonna grab a say hello for 2 seconds. Oop, that was an accident. Let's snap it to the when green flag clicked and change the hello to hello world exclamation mark because we want it to be extra, I don't know, unique. There's nothing really unique about it though. Now for the 2 seconds, we don't need to change it since it doesn't take that long to read hello for 2 seconds. Now, that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. You guys really didn't think I would make such a simple tutorial now, did you? So now we are going to dump out our current script, unless you want to keep that, just for memories. And we're gonna go to events to grab a when green flag clicked for our new script. And we're gonna go to looks and get a set size to 100, but change the 100 to 200 because 100 is way too small. And then we're gonna go to motion and get a go to XY and set it to 0, 0. We're gonna go to looks and grab a set color effect to 0, but instead of color, we're gonna change it to ghost. And we're gonna make the effect 100. I'm just rearranging the blocks because I find it more aesthetically pleasing. But you can do whatever you want, as long as it's either one of those. We're gonna go to control and we're gonna grab a repeat 5 or repeat 10, but change it to 5. And we're gonna change the ghost effect by -25. And this block is in looks. And then I'm just testing the code so that I make sure it works. And then we're gonna go to control and get a wait 0.5 seconds. Or change it to 0.5. And then we're going to get another wait 1 second, and then we're going to change it to 0.03 so that we can get a slower animation or reappearing effect. And then we are going to go to events to get a broadcast message, and you can name this whatever you want. You can keep it as message 1, but as long as you recognize it. Now we're going to go to make another costume, and we're going to go to the costumes section, and we're going to name it Hello World, or no, we're going to get a text box and name that Hello World. And we're going to make this completely black, make the outline black and set it to 3, and we're going to make the fill black, and then we're going to go to the coding section. But please do not do this. You can skip like 3 seconds if you want. This is a waste of time. Now we're going to make sure that you center it and go to the code section and grab a when green flag clicked and go to motion and get a go to 0 a y 0, but change the y to -135. Set the ghost effect to 100 because we want it invisible, and grab a when I receive start text in the events for broadcast, but make sure that it matches the broadcast that you made in the other script. Get rid of the broadcast from the old script because we don't need that. And this is pretty much the coding. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was a pain for me to make.